Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Do you like mushrooms? Have you tried the King Oyster Mushrooms? Fall in love with this mushroom as it is so flavorful and has many health benefits. It's also proven to help with weight management. I found these organically grown King Oyster Mushrooms on my recent trip to the Asian grocery shops, Mart in Houston. It is so fresh, fat and succulent, so irresistible that I decided to buy these mushrooms to make this recipe of salty King Oyster Mushrooms in my cooking channel. When choosing the mushrooms, try to find the ones with fat juicy stems. It also should not have any discoloration or bruises on it. Look at how these 4 mushrooms look. So delectable, right? Salty King Oyster Mushrooms with either butter or olive oil is such a simple recipe. First, slice the mushroom into thin slices. Lay these on a non-stick pan in a single layer so that it can get the heat from the pan. Put in 2 teaspoons of soya bean paste. Either use olive oil or butter for this. Here I added a tiny slice of butter to saute the mushroom slices. Brown this nicely, stirring and making sure all the surface gets the heat. I like to flip over and watch how this turns a tinge of brown. It's ready when it gets perfectly brown. In this video, I also put 2 common brands of soya bean paste that you can easily find in the Asian grocery stores. You can use any brands that you find and you like. This paste gives an umami taste to the mushrooms. It is salty, so use sparingly. Next, I stir-fry the Taiwanese spinach after rinsing this in a pot of water. Remember to wash thoroughly as this vegetable is grown on the ground. Rinsing is to get rid of any dirt or sand. While stirring, just add 2 teaspoons of soya bean paste again, and just stir till the stems and vegetables are softened. Put a dash of salt if you like. Next, I fried 3 eggs because I was cooking dinner for 3 people. Now dinner is ready. Either serve with rice or bread or any choice of carbohydrates. You will fall in love with the salty mushrooms, which is a low-calorie and low-carb food that could work well for the keto or paleo diet. Mushrooms are packed with selenium, fiber, antioxidants and so much more. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your subscription. Please like, share and subscribe to see more content about good cooking and great food. Cheers to good health and living well, everyone. Bye-bye.